Hey guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video guys is we're going to unbox and do our review of this Acefast earphones. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, we have here another earphones. This is actually guys from Acefast, and here is the box guys. So it's very nice. I actually made an unboxing video of this with a short, and at the back guys, so we have here some specifications. IP54, and it also has a transmission of 10 meters. We also have a speaker type multi-magnetic superlinear driver. And okay, let's actually do the unboxing of this guys. Okay, so if you're interested, I actually made a video of shorts on this one, and I really like the packaging. It's really nice. So here it is, and okay, in the box, so we have here of course the other clear kind of case there, and we have here the user manual. Okay, so it has many languages that you can choose. We have here a kind of wipe for our earphones, and I really like also the design of the cable. It's really premium, as you can see there. Yes, it's kind of flat, so you shouldn't have any problem ping them. Yes. Okay, and let's look at guys the earphones. I really like this case guys. I've actually unboxed many earphones, but this one is really nice. It looks really premium, as you can see. Yes, it's kind of, yes, made of fiberglass, and at the back, so you have here the charging port, and when you open this one, wow, can you see that one? Those earphones, they're actually lighting up, as you can see. They're lighting up, so it's nice. I have here the right bar. Yes, and I like the design. As you can see, you can really see what's inside these earphones. It's very visible. Yes, and the case itself, it's pretty sturdy. Yes, and when you close them, wow, you really have that kind of click sound, which means that it's really very sturdy, and it's not easy to actually break. I've actually used this one guys for a couple of weeks, and all I can say is that the sound is really great. And if you really want for kind of earphones that will last you for a long period of time, and you don't have to charge them every day, as long as you can have the case fully charged, then you can really use this one case for many days. So if you're interested guys, you can actually get this one in Amazon, and you can actually check on the link in the description box for you to check them out. And they actually have a promo right now until August 9, so it's really great if you can get them with a cheaper price. Alright guys, so again, I can rate this product as a 9 out of 10. Yes, so it's really nice, and I really like the design, and it's pretty sturdy, and it's really kind of must have. The only thing is, my concern is that I have just wondered, like, the port could have been in the middle of this part, but it's just a uniqueness of this device. So it's not only good for listening, but also the style itself, it's really nice. So again, if you're interested, just check them out. And if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to our channel. And happy 39k subscribers to my viewers all around the world. Thank you so much for staying with me, and hope that you still be with me until we reach 100k subscribers. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you guys in our next video.